Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very interesting website called AdCreative.ai. It's a service that allows you to generate conversion-focused ad creatives and social media post creatives in a matter of seconds using artificial intelligence. Let's see together how it works and what are the benefits it offers. AdCreative.ai is an online platform that relies on a large database of high conversion rate ad creatives. Using generative artificial intelligence, it can produce texts and images customized according to your target audience, the platform you advertise on, and the tone you want to use. You can choose from different categories of products and services, such as fashion, health, technology, travel, and more. To use AdCreative.ai, you'll need to hit the register button. Then, you would be asked for your personal details, including your email and password, and finally, your payment information. This grants you a 7-day free trial period. Here we are on the creation page, where you can craft your first advertisement. The first step to begin is your brand. If you click here, you'll open the dashboard where you can input specific details. If you manage multiple brands, no worries, you can switch between them at any time, allowing you to hit the generate button and save time by using the selected brand. First off, you'll need to input your brand's name and then upload your logo. The platform can automatically pick up your brand colors from your logo, but you're free to tweak them as you please. By providing a description for your brand, the AI can better tailor your ads. Here, you select your brand type. In the advanced settings section, you can connect various ad accounts. Once all the necessary details are in, hit the button to create your first brand. Now, let's walk through how to create a brand together. First, choose the brand name. In my case, I'm choosing Gaiman. Next, I'll use a random logo that I found on Google Images. At this point, it'll ask you if you want to remove the image background. I'm keeping it, but it's up to you what you want to do. As you can see, it has automatically selected colors based on the logo. Then, we write a description for the brand. In my case, I'm creating a gamer management brand. After that, we choose the brand category, and here we go, the brand is successfully created. After creating the brand, now, we can start creating the ad. For this advertisement, I'm choosing a size that fits Instagram stories. We have already written the project description, but if you want, you can add more details. We're targeting gamers as our audience demographic, and that's it. Job done. Here is the text and buttons section of the ad. If you click on Text AI, you can get your main headline, a punchline to draw more attention, and finally the right text for the button. Next, you'll be asked to add a background image that will add extra design to the story. In this case, I'll choose an image suitable for the theme from Google Images, or you can ask AdCreative to create an image for you. After inserting the image, you can save the project and name it. Upon saving, AdCreative will begin to create the advertisement. And there we have it, our first advertisement created. On the following page, we'll find all types of advertisements, and at the top, we'll find ads with the highest AI score, indicating which templates will perform the best. At this point, if you are not satisfied, you can re-edit everything or simply edit the template you want to use. You can also bookmark your favorite ads to set them aside and show them to your team. Finally, you can download the ad in various sizes or convert the type of ad. If you are satisfied, you can download the ad and start using it. Fantastic, the app has been created. Now you can post the ad on any platform you want: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Google Ads, and more. You can also use AdCreative.ai for startups, e-commerce, and marketing agencies, where you can provide any type of template to your various clients. Now I will show you a bonus that the platform offers. AdCreative provides a $500 free credit on Google Ads. If you want to have it, there are 4 steps. The first step is to make sure you add a Google account on the integrations page. The second step is to create or edit a brand and click on Google Ads Ad Account Select. After you have clicked, you can create a new advertising account. And finally, if you spend $500 with this account within 2 months, you will receive an immediate refund. After showing you how to sign up for the platform, create your brand, and create the perfect advertisement for your needs, I will show you the subscription plans for each type of business. The first subscription plan is targeted towards individuals and startups where the number of users ranges from 1 to 4, and the maximum number of brands you can create is 2. The second subscription plan is aimed at professionals, and here the number of users and brands you can create increases slightly. This plan is more suitable for established companies with a higher number of employees. And finally, there's the third plan dedicated to marketing agencies that need to produce advertisements for a large number of clients. We've reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching this review, and we have one last surprise for you. In the description, you'll find a link that will allow you to get a discount on the subscription price. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for new videos.